Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix voice to text not working after iOS 18.4.1 update. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Toggle dictation setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, scroll up, click on Keyboard. On the keyboard page, scroll up, turn off enable dictation, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution number 2. Check language setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on Siri and search. On the Siri and search page, click on language. Select English UK or English US. It should match the language in the previous steps. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. Click on Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and Install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on General. Now scroll all the way down and click Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, hit Reset. Choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your phone passcode if it asks. And finally click Reset Dictionary to confirm. Solution number 5. Check your internet connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Connect your Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching this video.